the URL in the URL box, turnitin.com. Once you type that one, the login page will come out, and all you have to do is to log in with your email address and your password. And click login or press enter. Once you will do that, your Turnitin account will be opened. And as you can see, this is the interface, basic interface of the Turnitin um, website or account. So as you can see here, you would see your name. If you click that one, you will be directed to the user information or account settings. Basically, you can change your password, change your last name, first name, and some of other things that you can change from your settings. And then the second tab is user info. If you click that one, you can also see here some information of your account. And then another tab here is the messages, because sometimes the Turnitin administrators or the owners of Turnitin would send you messages about updates regarding the product or the app or the website. And then in the fourth tab, you can see here your view mode. So for example, right now I am in my instructor view, and I can also change this to student view, because this account that I have in Turnitin is for both instructor and student view. So right now I'm in instructor view. And then another tab is the language. You can also change the language here. So let me just choose English. And then there's a tab here in community. So if you have, for example, questions that you would like to be answered, you can actually join the community and ask questions from the people who are also using Turnitin. And then we have here the help tab, which is the basically answers to the basic questions that Turnitin users have regarding their accounts. And then the last tab is the logout if you're done using the Turnitin website. So basically that is the tabbing here. Okay, so if you're confused on what to do with your Turnitin account, you can actually go over this tab at the top right um, area of the interface. And then here you can also see here two tabs here. We have all classes and join account. So in all classes, if you click that one, you can actually see here the classes that you have. So let's say I have here my class on digital citizenship. Okay, so basically that is the basic interface of Turnitin.